Hello dear viewers and listeners, how are you today?
Walaikum salam, fine, thanks, and you, sir?
Just fine. So today we will talk about how to ask a question. Yes, no question. नन बमुंगा द येस नो क्वेश्चन पर बारे की डिस्कशन कहो येस नो क्वेश्चन इस्तेमाल हम पा रोज़मर्रा ज़िंदगी की लग ज़्यादा हुई नो द येस नो क्वेश्चन पर बारे की बा क्वेश्चन कहो और ख़ास कर डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ होम पर डिस्कस कहो लका कदल तमुंगो गोरो न बिलाल्स इन द स्टडी रूम. Where's Bilal? He's in the study room. Where's Ahmad? Good. He's in the parlor. Where's Fatma?
She's in the kitchen.
She's in the kitchen. Where's Salma?
She's in the yard.
Where's your father?
He's in the lawn.
Where's your mother?
She's in the bedroom.
Good. Where's the dog?
It's in the kitchen.
Very good. It's in the kennel. Dog non-living thing है तो it's कहेंगे. Where's the computer?
It's in the lawn.
It's in the office. So where's the tree?
It's in the lawn.
एट्स एंड द लान ये चमन में है. हमने डिस्कस किए थे पिछले लेसन में ये. वेयर्स द स्पाइडर?
It's in the ground.
गुड. एट्स एंड द वेरांडा. स्पाइडर मीन मोकड़ा और मोकड़ी जोला जैसे हम कहते हैं या सो एट्स एंड द वेरांडा. दलता कमुंगा उगुरु नो दलता अली एंड असद प्लूरल दे. यू हम डेरुता इशारा दा दे हम डेरुता इशारा दा वी हम डेरुता बुक्स हम दयो नजियात दी द वेयर एस पजे बसवायु where are or the where are short form where are boy where are Ali and Asad?
They are in the bedroom.
Good. They are in the dining room. कही वायु नु यौ तन खुने दे यौ खुदा यौ ही द पर राजी नु चिदा यौ नजियाती की दो या द दो नजियाती भी अब जमा वायु नु they are in the dining room. Where are you?
We are in the parking lot.
We are in the parking lot suppose or we are in the class. Where are they?
They are in the playground.
They are in the playground. Where are we?
We are in the classroom.
We are in the classroom. हम सब classroom में हैं. Where are the books?
They are in the classroom.
They are in the bookcase. The किताबों पर showcase की दी अलमारी की दी. They are in the bookcase. नु कलम ची मुंगा दा खो आम पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस मुंगो वेले कल ची अदेन सवालिये जोड़ो नु बिलाल is in the study room. नु क्वेश्चन में भी संग जोड़ो is Bilal in the study room. क्या बिलाल स्टडी रूम में है? सो कभी नु yes he is. और कन्नवी नु सब वायु no he isn't. He is in the kitchen या he is in the parlor ची कम देखी भी राइट नो ए वर्ता वही ची थैंक यू दगशान एज कद आयशा मुताबिक मुन क्वेश्चन कहूँ नो एज आयशा इन द किचन कभी नो yes she is कन्नवी नो she is not या no she isn't. दो किस्म कंट्रैक्शन पाम मुंग जोड़ा वाले शु 10 यम वाले शु जी no she is not और 10 यम वाले शु जी she isn't. मतलब का द एस चिदे दा मुंग द द्वानु सर कंट्रैक्शन पाम जोड़ो वाले शु कद एस सरे कंट्रे द शी सरे कंट्रे कौ नु शीज और नॉट बबिया पुलवायु और कदा एज नॉट से कंट्रे कौ नु शी बपुलवायु नो शी इजंट शी इज इन द किचन बाथरूम एटसेट्रा राइट नो दस्तासु खोखदा कतासु दादा ससरम कंट्रैक्शन पाम कवई कदा सब्जेक्ट से कंट्रैक्ट कवई और कदा नॉट से कंट्रैक्ट पाम जोड़वई पद्वाणु की सही दी और कदा बेजान से मुताबिक नो इट इजंट इट्स इन द पार्लर राइट और कला द यौन ज़्यादा से दोनों बबारा के मुंग क्वेश्चन को फॉर एग्जांपल अली एंड असद आर इन द डाइनिंग रूम नु कवस मुंग क्वेश्चन को नु संग बोवायु आर अली एंड असद इन द पार्किंग लॉट अली व असद पर पार्किंग लॉट की दी नु देखो पर डाइनिंग रूम की दी दे मुताबिक नु मुंग बसवायु नो दे आंट दे आर इन द डाइनिंग रूम या और कभी नु यस दे आर बोवायु ज़बरदस्त क्वेश्चन को तासुब जवाब रखवाई दे मुताबिक इज बिलाल इन द पार्लर?
No, he isn't. He's in the study room.
Good. No, he isn't. He is in the study room. Is Ahmad in the study room?
No, he isn't. He's in the parlor.
Very good. No, he isn't. He is in the parlor. Is Fatma in the kitchen?
Yes, she is.
Yes, she is. Is Fatma in the yard?
No, she isn't. She's in the kitchen.
No, she isn't. She's in the kitchen. Is Salma in the kitchen?
No, she isn't. She's in the yard.
Good. No, she isn't. She's in the yard. Is your father in the yard?
No, he isn't. He's in the lawn.
Good. Thank you. We can also answer in the palm up. Thank you. Is your mother in the lawn?
No, she isn't. She's in the bedroom.
Good. Is your father in the lawn?
Yes.
Yes, he is. When we are making question, کله چې مونږ question جوړو نو یې لګ د question انداز به جوړو لکه چې مونږ ته خو پته نشته مونږ دا تپوس کو چې یاره دغلته دی کنه دی. Is the dog in the kennel?
Yes.
Yes, he is. Yeah, yes, it is. Right? د غریلو جانور د پاره مونږه کمیل وینو هی او ک فیمیل وینو شیم یوز کولای شو او 8 ورته هم یوز کیږي دوه صحیح دي. Right? Is the computer in the bedroom?
No, it isn't. It's in the office.
Good. No, it isn't. It's in the office. Yeah. Is the tree in the lawn?
Yes, it is.
Good. Is the tree in the yard?
No, it isn't.
It's in the yard. Good. It's in the lawn. Is the spider in the office?
No, it isn't.
It's in the veranda. Good. Similarly, plural question. Are Ali and Asad in the study room?
No, they aren't. They are in the dining room.
Good. Are you in the yard?
No, we aren't. We are in the park.
Good. Are they in the computer room?
No, they aren't. They are in the playground.
Good. Are we in the playground?
No, we aren't. We are in the classroom.
Good. Are the books in the classroom?
No, they aren't. They are in the bookcase.
They aren't. They are in the bookcase. So in this way, you will ask question. کله چې تاسو دا معلوموي چې آیا څوک یو تن یا یو سیز یا یو بیجان سیز په یو ځای کې دی که نه دی نو که واحد و نو ایز باندې به کوېسچن کوو. Is the marker on the dice او که جمع و نو آر باندې به کوېسچن کوو. و تاسو زمانه کوېسچن وکئ.
Is we are in the parlor?
No, he isn't. He is in the study room.
Is in the kitchen?
No, he isn't. He's in the parlor.
Is Father in the yard?
No, she isn't. She's in the kitchen.
Is Salma in the kitchen?
No, she isn't. She's in the yard.
Is Salma in the yard?
Yes, she is. तो इसी तरह आप क्वेश्चन कर लेंगे. तमाम क्वेश्चन एक दूसरे से कर लेंगे. और अगर ये क्वेश्चन कर लें
Are Ali and Asad in the ground?
No, they aren't. They are in the dining room.
Are you in the dining room?
No, we aren't. We are in the classroom.
Are they in the playground?
Yes, they are.
Are we in the playground?
No, we aren't. We are in the classroom.
Are the books in the bookcase?
Yes, they are. किताबों د یو نه زیات دي نو yes they are بوایو. دا question وکئ.
Are you in the dining room?
Good. تاسو زمانه question وکړو چې are you in the dining room نو زه خو یو تن یم چې تاسو زمانه question کوئ نو no I'm not. I'm in the classroom. او چې زه ستاسو نه تپوس وکم are you in the dining room نو تاسو به څه وایئ No, we aren't. We are in the classroom. ځکه چې تاسو ډیر یې نو ډیرو سره به وی وایي چې یو تن وي نو هغه به آی یوز کوي. نو دغه شان ډیر ویورز اینڈ لیسنر تاسو کوشش وکړئ چې په دې باندې بار بار پریکټس وکړئ. عام طور زمونږ د لینګویج کلاس دورانیې چې وي نو مونږ دې ته پریزنټیشن وایو. پریزنټیشن چې 5-6 منټ وي نو په دې باندې پریکټس 10-12 منټ بیا سټوډنټس کوي. دو ګروپونه شي په ګروپونو کې بار بار دا کوېسچنې کوي تر د هغې پورې چې دا د خپل نالج یوه حصه جوړه کړي او بیا د وایټ بورډ نه علاوه په بار ځای کې هم ویلی شي د چا په باره کې کوېسچن کوي د هغې مطابق داسې کوېسچن هم کولی شي. هره اکټیویټي چې وي په هغې به تاسو پریکټس ډېر کوئ. او د نن ورځې پراورب دی Never put off till tomorrow what you can do today. Never put off till tomorrow. Never put off. مپرېږدئ till tomorrow سبا ته what you can do today. نن چې څه کولی شئ نن چې کم کار تاسو کولی شئ نو سبا ته مه پرېږدئ. یعنی آج کا کام کل پر مت چھوڑو. او د دې په باره کې یو بل پراورب دام دی چې procrastination is the theft of time. procrastination د نن کار سبا ته پرېښودل. آج کا کام کل پر छोड़ना. دیته وای پروکراسټینیشن procrastination is the theft of time دا د سړی نه وخت پټي مطلب وخت ټول تیر شي او کار ونه شي سبا خان چې ورته مونږ وایو نو سبا خانی به وای نه کوي ځکه چې سبا خانی دا د زوال سبب دی repeat with me never put up till tomorrow
Never put up till tomorrow
what you can do today.
what you can do today.
Procrastination is the theft of time.
Procrastination is a theft
Yeah.
of time.
Thank you, dear viewers and listener. Try to read it again and again, watch it again and again, and try to share the videos with your near and dear one as well. Thanks a lot. Khuda Hafiz.